जब ज्वाइन किया था यहाँ पर तब आप लोगों के साथ इंटरेक्शन हुआ था। अब कोरोना की वजह से इंटरेक्शन हुआ नहीं आप लोगों से। उसके बाद मुझे भी कोरोना हो गया था, लेकिन आने के बाद हमने काफ़ी स्टेप्स लिए यहाँ पर। पुलिस फोर्स को इम्प्रूव करने की कोशिश की है। जो इम्पोर्टेंट केसेस कुछ हुए हैं तो उसको डिटेक्ट करने की पूरी कोशिश की है और डिटेक्ट हुए हैं सारे के सारे केस। इसके अलावा जो एक चीज़ थी, एक टेंडेंसी थी यहाँ की पुलिस की कि जो चोरी के मुकदमे थे उसको दर्ज करने में थोड़ी हेजिटेशन था यहाँ की पुलिस फोर्स को, क्योंकि उनको डर था कि फिगर पूछा जाएगा। लेकिन हमने उनको तसल्ली दिलाई और सबको कन्विंस किया कि जो भी कंप्लेनेंट आ जाता है, चोरी, थेफ्ट हो, हाउस बर्गलरी हो या रॉबरी हो, डकैती हो, उसको रजिस्टर करो। उससे कि क्रिमिनल्स का रिकॉर्ड आता है और बाद में क्रिमिनल्स पकड़ा जाता है तो उसके बाद उसके खिलाफ़ कार्रवाई होती है। तब केस रजिस्टर करने लगे। हम भी मॉनिटर कर रहे हैं, डीआईजी एसपीज भी मॉनिटर करते हैं उसको। इसके अलावा हमने पहले ही बोला था कि आप किसी क्वेश्चन उठाया था कि प्रमोशन क्या करो, हमने कई प्रमोशन किए भी हैं कई रैंक पे। इवन डीवाईएसपी के भी प्रमोशन हुए हमारे टाइम में। 6 डीवाईएसपी प्रमोट हुए हैं, इंस्पेक्टर्स भी प्रमोट हुए हैं और बाकी हर रैंक पे प्रमोशन हुए हैं। अब हमारी कोशिश जारी है कि पुलिस फोर्स की जो कैपेबिलिटी है उसको बढ़ाई जाए, उनका इम्प्रूवमेंट किया जाए, उनके लिए जो रिसोर्सेज हैं रिसोर्स और दिलाए जाएं, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर और बढ़ाए जाएं और मोरल अच्छा हो। कोविड की ड्यूटी बड़ी टफ ड्यूटी है पुलिस के लिए। करीब 900 के आसपास, 850 और 900 के आसपास लोग इन्फेक्ट हुए थे कोविड से। मैं भी हुआ था, हमारे डीआई साहब भी हुए थे, परमादित्य जी। तो इसमें लेकिन एक सिस्टम हमने बनाया कि एसपी रैंक एक अफसर की ड्यूटी लगाई, एक टीम बनाई कि जो भी कोविड से अफेक्टेड हो उससे सबसे बात करें। हमारे जो पीएमओ है उनको भी बोला कि सबसे बात करें। तो लकीली विद गॉड ग्रेस 900 के बावजूद भी कोई कैजुअलिटी नहीं है। एक कोरोना पेशेंट असिस्टेंट कुक था एयरवेन का, उसकी डेथ हुई थी, लेकिन वो स्नेक बाइट से हुई थी। तो लकीली क्योंकि हमने इतनी केयर की। उसके अलावा मैंने देखा कि पुलिस स्टेशंस में क्लीनिनेस नहीं है। सडन इंस्पेक्शन किया 1-2 थाने का, कई थानों में गए तो उसमें देखा कि बिल्कुल क्लीननेस जो होनी चाहिए उस तरह नहीं है। तो उससे भी मैं ऑब्ज़र्व किया कि उससे बीमारी फैलती है। तो अभी सबको इंस्ट्रक्शन दिए हैं कि अच्छी तरह कॉम्प्लेक्स को साफ़ रखें। किसी भी टाइम सीनियर अफसर जा सकते हैं। मैं भी कई पुलिस स्टेशन का सरप्राइज चेक किया हूँ तो मैं पाया हूँ कि अभी काफ़ी इम्प्रूवमेंट है। काफ़ी पुलिस स्टेशन में सफाई का ध्यान रख रहे हैं, तो उससे भी फ़र्क पड़ता है। इसके अलावा हमारी कोशिश रहेगी जो न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी या जो भी जो है सारी की सारी रहेगी। आज हमने इसीलिए बुलाया था कि आप लोगों के कोई क्वेरी हो तो पूछें, क्योंकि काफ़ी दिन हो गए, हो सकता है आप लोग फील्ड में रहते हैं तो आप लोगों की फीडबैक हमें काम आएगी। आप हमसे क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हैं।
बहुत ज़्यादा प्रोटेस्ट ये सब हो रहे हैं, उसका बारे में कुछ सिक्योरिटी टाइप आईएसएल भी अभी चालू है।
प्रोटेस्ट जो हो रहा है उसमें पुलिस कार्रवाई करती है और पुलिस की कार्रवाई जो है कानून के हिसाब से होती है। तो जहाँ भी नॉलेज मिलती है कि यहाँ प्रोटेस्ट हो रहा है, पुलिस फोर्स इमीडिएटली जाती है। एसपीज को हमने रिजर्व फोर्स भी भेजते हैं। आईएसएल जो हो रहा है उसमें कोई किसी तरह की बाधा आनी नहीं चाहिए और आईएसएल को प्रॉपर सिक्योरिटी प्रोवाइड हम कर रहे हैं।
सीएम को एक थ्रेट आया था बीच में, उसके बाद सीएम की सिक्योरिटी कुछ चेंज किया है?
उसमें थ्रेट आया था, एक मिसचीफ की थी, उसको हमने अरेस्ट कर लिया है और इंट्रोगेशन जारी है। बाकी तो क्योंकि ऑनरेबल सीएम है उसकी सिक्योरिटी पहले से ही हमने काफ़ी स्ट्रेंथन कर रखी है, बीच बीच में उसको रिव्यू करते हैं। In what sense?
As far as law and order, or taking security wise, because Goa is a touristic place.
Actually, my observation is that when people come to Goa, they feel it is a very peaceful state. In fact, when I joined, my impression was also there. There is a very peaceful state. people walk freely. Even night time also people walk. So impression of Goa is very good in mind of citizens of other states as well as foreign countries. Except some incidents, the Goa is more or less peaceful, and I really appreciate, especially public of Goa, that they don't indulge much in organized crimes, and they don't harass tourists, and they don't harass persons who are visiting Goa. That's why if you see, everybody wants to come to Goa, in spite of like weather is not so good sometime. Sometime weather is not very, heat is there, humidity there, scorchy heat is there. Still people want to come to Goa. It is because of that. Because of scenic beauty is there, because of the place is there, and weather in the night, morning, evening weather is excellent, and the air quality index is also very good. So I really appreciate people of Goa regarding this.
Sir, what is the crime rate in Goa compared to other states?
Rate, we can't compare, but more or less, if you say in that sense, this is a very peaceful state. Like I have studied in many places, organized gangs are working in other places also, and I really see there is not much problem. It's a very, crime rate wise is very, very good. Very, like even when theft cases are there in other places, it's very difficult to detect, because gangs from outside and they also come and do. Here our police force is able to detect these cases. So crime rate is low as compared to other states.
Looking at the current scenario, present, like you take Delhi, you will take other states, and the state government allowing to open tourist to allowing domestic tourists. You can see at the casino side, is it feasible for also police to take care of it? Because COVID cases, second wave has already started. Don't you think so? There can be a fear in Goa also.
Now, this is a question which you have posed to me. It relates to health services. But since COVID has been there in here, like in March, lockdown was imposed in India, and now people are fed up to remain in one place. So they want to come. They want to come and relax. And Goa is the best place. And when people want to come and government restricts these places, that is contradictory to our tourism policy. And plus, if now people are advised to take precautions like wearing a mask, social distancing, and whatever SOPs, different standing operating procedures are there for everything. So I don't think it is a problem. Rather, we should open all activities, and government is opening slowly based on experts' advice. If central government as well as state government is taking action, so slowly we should open everything, and we are opening. So I don't see any problem, but we have to take precautions. We have to really take precautions. Everybody should wear mask. There should be 2-meter distance and other precautions which are prescribed by health department and government.
Sir, there was a case in Sedona, a child murder case has been cut into the pieces. So what happened with that case?
Still our people are investigating, and we are having emphasis on this case. So police is investigating, and lot of officers are engaged in that case.
There was one more case like it is registered in a Delhi Darbar case. What happened to child molestation? Disabled.
That was, I think it was the concerned person was arrested. It was arrested.
It got arrested.
That time only.
So regarding the drugs issue which have been getting caught this stage in Pegna side, so what is the discrimination? What is the quantity that you have so far have been targeted? Drugs.
Regarding drug, if you hear, like lot of cases has been booked by ANC, by crime branch, and by local police also. So if you see Parnem side now, PI has gone, new PI. I think he has arrested many people, and he could arrest a person who was even cultivating cannabis in his house. So daily I could see police is taking proper action. This because people are for drugs. People are so accustomed everywhere. They want to bring, but we are very alert. Our all agencies are taking action. Recently, the ANC has arrested in Madgaon South District also so many people, and so we are very alert. And if you get any information, you just share with police, because we want drug free Goa, because of drugs, image of Goa goes down, and we don't want. The Goa is good. A person who is coming here for party, for tourism purposes, for seeing this place, remaining peaceful, is good. A person who is coming for activity like selling drug, consuming drug is totally illegal, and whenever any information will come to police, we will take action.
It is increased comparing to previously this year,
No, it has not increased. Rather, I could say the activity might have decreased because we have taken a lot of action.
Yes, sir.
And if, as compared to last year, value of drugs which we have seized is much more
Around 6 crore and 70 lakhs.
this time.
The last one is around 5.5. So we are
So-
far ahead, and in spite of this lockdown, our emphasis on the drugs.
लेकिन हर बार ड्रग्स पेडलर्स पकड़े जाते हैं।
अभी हमने इंस्ट्रक्शन दिए हैं कि सोर्स तक पहुँचे हैं, और कुछ सोर्स तक हम पहुँचे भी हैं कुछ केसेस में, बट स्मॉल क्वांटिटी इज़ वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट, बट पहुँच रहे हैं. हमारा एम्फेसिस अभी सोर्स पे ही है, बिकॉज
मैं पिछली बार एक 3 करोड़ का मिला था, तो उसका कनेक्शन कुछ मिला?
पहले का केस पहले का
There are strong leads. Crime branch is working on that. Once we'll finalize it, then we'll share this information.
So, Meena, you were talking about the house break situation, the detection, as you say that now it will improve and cases will be registered more. I just wanted to know, when you were talking to your officials, is there anything that you have now discovered about the kind of gangs operating in these house breaks? Or what exactly, are they coming at a particular time, or what exactly have you found so far?
What happens actually, these are scattered people. It is not a particular gang who operates for this purpose. They are particular place, like this place, some gangs are there, some people are there, south some people are there, here also some people are there. So what happened actually, you have raised a very valid point. When I joined and I discussed with my officers, and why I could see diary, the cases were happening. House break was happening, vehicle theft was happening, even simple theft, mobile theft, everything was happening. It is everywhere. It is not an abnormal phenomenon. It is everywhere. When people are there, theft is there. But here, police were hesitant to register case. Then I discussed with all officers, okay, let's, whenever complainant comes to police station or they dial to our control room, please register case. Still, I could also see people are here also are hesitant to get case registered. Daily we could see 1 or 2 cases, they don't register cases in spite of PI talking to them, in spite of controller, senior officer talking to them, they say we don't want case registered. Anyhow, but whatever case, now actually we could see some cases are being registered. In those registered, we could see, like if you see persons who were, lot of people we have caught. If you want, we can share even names of persons which we have arrested. Luckily, because of this, there is pressure on police, pressure on IO to arrest these persons. So automatically, in long term, the theft and burglary will reduce because they will be caught. And now we can share with you Monday or Tuesday how many total number of persons we have arrested in different police stations.
I have 2 more questions. One is the pictures that were there today in the newspaper on the Chat Puja, Miramar Beach. The crowd was beyond control. What is the estimate that you are looking for December? Looking at this law and order preparation that you have till December? Because obviously Goa seems to be the favorite now.
Now we will, we could see like people want to come, go to beaches, people want to enjoy parties, but we are also gearing up, we are also planning, like it's a new disease which has come to us. So it is daily we have to change our strategies. Sometimes because new functions are coming, people are so much emotionally attached with the functions. If you stop them, it becomes a religious issue. If it be like, but what we are doing, more or less people have been cooperating. When we go there, when they violate, at least our PI or some senior officer talk to them, they start following our norms, the whatever norms have been prescribed by the government. But you are right, because November, December is coming, and lot of holidays already holidays are there for schools, but online classes going. But sometime they will plan to come here, and I could see on beaches there is crowd have increased in all beaches, even hotels. More and more bookings are there in hotels. So we will discuss with our officers and we'll see how we can handle all these things, because it is going to be a very challenging task, because everybody would like to come.
And my last question is very specific. There's been a appeal made by the professors and the students on behalf of Shilpa Singh, the professor for security, her security. Has it reached your desk, and what are you doing about it?
Yeah, we have received request, and we'll ensure that nothing should happen to professor and nothing should happen in the university. And we'll talk to concerned stakeholders also in university. I have already talked to my officers to talk to students, to talk to concerned persons, that it is in the college or university, such atmosphere should not prevail. There should be a peace in that area. So slowly they will talk to students also, and will ensure the proper security provided to professor, the student.
This week?
Huh?
That is expected to happen this week? As in
Yeah, we are in touch with the students also. Our officers are in touch with the students. They will talk to them, because she is teacher. The teacher should not feel fear in going to university or going to workplace. Any woman should not feel going to workplace any insecurity. So we will ensure the proper security for everybody.
So, what is your take on this number of agitations which have been going on in the past few days? It may be the issue of crude, it may be money, even recently the ISL issue, where drones are fighting for environment and all. And then there have been several disturbances.
Look, there are some agitations going on in south for the projects. I don't know why people are projecting when government is so much in my opinion, if you say, because I am also part of the government, I could say these projects are for national development. When in our place, in our state, people demonstrate or agitate for widening of double tracking of railways, I tell you. Now only we could, in some of the track, it was a single track. Even everywhere in our places, they fight for 4 laning, for 6 laning. I don't know why, anyhow, that I don't want to comment on people. I can only request, these are projects, whether it is now, these are national projects, state projects. States and center are much more concerned about development of whole nation. So if you see the double tracking is there, it will benefit ultimately tourists also. It will benefit Goan people also, passengers also, persons who are coming. It will benefit. Like 4 laning, as a police officer, I am more concerned about 4 laning. When 4 laning is there, like at a one stretch you have got 4 lane. Suddenly you will have 2 lane. So traffic automatically will be a problem. It will be a congestion. So government has decided for 4 lane. They should allow it. But anyhow, as a police department, will ensure whenever any security is sought by railway officials, by the state government, by the central government, will provide security to railway track, will provide security to 4 laning, transmission, any project which has been declared by the center or the state will ensure that peace is maintained, nobody should obstruct. They went to railway track, we have registered a case. We register a case, we'll take stern action against those people who are obstructing government functions, whether it is center or state. As a police officer, we should not tolerate, and it is for the whole development of the whole nation.
They are saying that they are fighting for Goa's environment. What is left in Goa?
देखो, that controversy as a police officer, I don't want to go in that. But I only have one comment, because I have also got environment background. I am agriculture graduate and postgraduate, as well as I was, before coming to IPS, I was in Indian Forest Service. So for 3 years I have been in a training. So we got 2 years there and 1 year in the field. So I have got experience with the environment also. The government of Goa and government of India must have done studies for before having any project, because there are already studies are there. But I don't want to still, as I say, I don't want to go in that comment. But whenever government takes up, center or state takes up any project in such area, they conduct, there is a proper procedure for that. So anyhow,
Sir, what is the status of Deputy Chief Minister phone hacking case?
for that is under investigation. We have sought some details, and it is under investigation.
Details from?
Details from concerned persons. We have sought details from Deputy CM, we have sought details from concerned agencies also. So case is under investigation.
How are you gearing up for Christmas?
Huh?
How are you gearing up for December now? Because Christmas, New Year, and
That's why I already replied, but I can say that we have already discussed with our officers that they are making strategy, because due to COVID, now it is a challenging task, but anyhow we have to deploy force, more round the clock force have to be deployed, strategic locations we have to deploy, but we have to provide security.
Sir, there was one case, fake note from Goa, पकड़ा गया था. तो उनका क्या हुआ?
नहीं, उनका एक्चुअली आई थिंक फॉलोइंग आपको नहीं बताया होगा. उनको जो जहाँ से वो नोट लाए थे, जो सोर्स था, उनको भी पकड़ लिया गया था. वी कॉट देम.
किधर पकड़ा?
वो कोटा में
MP, हाँ, कोटा and MP.
कोटा एंड
राजस्थान and MP.
वी कॉट देम एंड स्टिल द केस अंडर इन्वेस्टिगेशन. और भी उसमें कोई लिंक मिलेगा, बट वी कॉट द पर्सन्स जिन्होंने हैंड ओवर किया था.
We usually try to go to the sources also.
वी कॉट देम.
So you have said that seizure of quantity of drugs has gone up as compared to last year. Would this be an indication that consumption has also gone up in the year of pandemic?
No, I don't think so, because in pandemic there were a lot of restriction. So I don't think so कि lot of consumption, because we are very alert. Even government is present. Honorable Chief Minister is also very particular about drug. I tell you, whenever we discuss, he always give instruction to police that drug should not be there in Goa. Even when we discuss regarding this drug, so now we can see that in Parnem, in Kalangut, everywhere we are taking action whenever we get information. But actually, it is duty of parents that they should really counsel their children that they should not indulge in such activity in schools and colleges. Because I could see in Delhi, when I was in Delhi, a lot of students were involved in this, in drug consumption. So that is one part, because students should not indulge in this. Then other things also. It is people's responsibility. It's a menace. It's a very bad habit. It should. It's only public cooperate. Whenever they get information, they should share with police immediately. That's my request.
Arambol beach party is going to be happening at 6 o'clock. Are you aware of this? Beach party at Arambol beach. Beach party at Arambol beach.
Beach party.
Beach party, whenever we are getting the information, we are conducting the raids. So we are working in close coordination with crime as well as the local police. We have already identified Arambol as a hotspot for our evidence-based policing. So this area is under our watch.
But today at 6 o'clock, they have sent invitations.
Just share with us, we'll ensure
we'll
that-
say if it is illegal, we'll take action. If it is not illegal, then we'll not take action. So we have to see whether it is legal or illegal. Parties can be anywhere, but we have to see whether parties are allowed, not allowed, illegal, legal. So that we have to see.
सुशांत सिंह राजपूत ड्रग्स कनेक्शन में गोवा से कुछ कनेक्ट
नहीं, हमारे पास तो हमने तो वी डू कुड नॉट आइडेंटिफाई अदर थिंग्स इन्फॉर्मेशन एनसीबी कैन आंसर योर क्वेश्चन.
We are providing all support to the central agencies. Whenever they are asking any
They are
support, we are
asking.
providing.
But we have not got person who is linked with them.
सर अभी गोवा में इलेक्शन का माहौल है तो ऐसा बताया जा रहा है कि लोकल पुलिस जो है उनको पॉलिटिशियन यूज कर रहे हैं और उन पर प्रेशर डाल रहे हैं क्योंकि माजरे में जीत अरुणकर का मीटिंग नहीं हुआ और उधर संगे में डिप्टी सीएम की मिसेज जो है उनका मीटिंग हुआ तो ऐसा पॉलिटिशियन लोकल पुलिस पर प्रेशर डाल रहे हैं ऐसा एक इल्जाम हो रहा है.
अब ये तो नीचे वाले कुछ वी डोंट नो, वी कांट कमेंट ऑन दिस, लेकिन हमारे पास तो कोई इस तरह का प्रेशर है नहीं है.
We are
We
working
take-
on merit. So.
वी टेक एक्शन. अगर जिसको नहीं अलाउ किया है तो ही हैज़ गॉट अदर अथॉरिटीज टू अपील, बिकॉज दीज आर नॉट इन आवर नॉलेज.
Whenever any such meeting takes place, it is as per the NOCs granted by the concerned agencies. If it's a public place, the permission is granted by the district administration. So, based on the permissions only and the NOCs given, the meetings take place.
शॉपिंग मर्डर केस के अंदर क्या तथ्य कैफी था कि मर्डर केस था कि उसको मारने के लिए आए थे, चोरी करने के लिए आए थे?
कौन से वाले की बात करें?
मडगांव वाले।
मडगांव में तो आई ऑलरेडी गिवन
Already
टोटल प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस.
conference is already done.
वे ऑलरेडी गिवन. लेकिन ये है कि आई कैन ओनली से कि दे आर डेस्परेट criminals. One of the criminal, that is his name is Evander. Evander has cheated so many persons, and now also after that case also we have registered so many cases against him. He has cheated so many persons. और आपको मालूम है उन्होंने चोरी भी कहीं की थी, कई दे आर इन्वॉल्व इन मैनी केसेस. तो उनका पर्पस तो अभी तक तो यही आ रहा है कि लूटने आए थे उसको, था मालूम.
और आर्म सप्लायर को भी बिहार से लिया.
हैं?
आर्म सप्लायर को भी बिहार.
हाँ, वी हैव अरेस्टेड द पर्सन्स हु सप्लाइड आर्म्स टू देम आल्सो. बिहार से भी उनको ले आए थे पकड़ के.
Chain snatching cases are come down now.
नहीं, अभी तो क्योंकि चेन स्नैचिंग के इतने केसेज आए नहीं हैं, लेकिन जो भी आ रहे हैं हम उनको कर रहे हैं. पर बताते हैं कि
Consolidate and-
दिसंबर में और नवंबर में चेन स्नैचिंग बढ़ जाती है. ऐसा मुझे कुछ बताया था यहाँ पर कि चेन स्नैचिंग वगैरह बढ़ती है. तो अभी लगा रहे हैं हम आदमी, और अगर कोई केस आएगा तो देन विल कैच ऑल. ठीक है, थैंक यू.
Thank you.
और कभी भी कोई हो तो यू कैन कम 1-to-1 आल्सो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. थैंक यू.
What is the best time to come and
एट एनी टाइम आप पूछो, PS वी आर अवेलेबल.